Hey guys, welcome back, man. Welcome to our second part of our little mini series we've been doing with getting Steve's bike running. Actually, I shouldn't say running, I should say getting it on the road. We've made some badass progress in the last 2 weeks. Got it running, got it wired up, got it timed up. Last weekend, we got the chain on, the sprocket on, and I'm going to share all that with you guys today. I was hoping in this video to also show you the front end, the forward controls, the front brakes, the rear, everything that we needed to do to get ourselves that next step closer to putting this on the road. However, with it being playoff weekend, someone didn't make it today. But I want to get this video out anyway. I don't want to hold things up because I got a lot that we're doing next weekend. I am getting into like the nitty gritty on mine, but we're putting mine aside because I'm way farther than Steve is on this build. For this one, man, we want to see it on the road. I don't think anything would be cooler than a video of us cruising down the street on this thing. I don't care if it's painted properly, polished properly, missing some things. As long as it runs, starts, stops, we're good to go. So I want to share with you where we're at, and hopefully next weekend I'll have a little bit more done. But until then, check this out.
All right, hey, we're getting into putting the sprockets on, getting things all fabbed up for the back end. I'm going with the smaller sprocket on the backside. It's a 31 teeth I got from TC Brothers, SKU number 111-0009, and it gives you lower RPMs at higher speed.
Sweet. We didn't look up the torque specs for it, so we're going to go with the Ooga Dooga method. I wouldn't even worry about Loctite on that, would you? Not for a whopping 42 horsepower.
Good point.
All right, I'll get it.
Huh?
I'll get it.
Would you normally put it on here?
Well, considering it's a sprocket, probably.
Yeah.
I'm sure somebody on this channel is going to go, no, you shouldn't have done that. And we'll be like, that's kind of how we always do it. All right, for the internet warriors, Steve is putting it on.
And if somebody that knows better comments and tells us
we shouldn't have done it,
let us know, then we'll take it off and clean it up.
No, please keep it to yourself.
Better yet.
All right, so now we need the spacers, the 2 chrome brackets that help adjust it left to right, and go ahead and put your at least the bracket for the tag and brake light. Or your brake light might be separate, right? I think your brake light's going on your fender.
That goes on tag just like yours.
Okay, cool. So let's put the bracket on at least.
I don't know if I can do that though, because
all right, let's see.
I don't think I have this.
Well, let me see what you bought.
This mount.
So that's literally the same thing that I bought, Steve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I looked in the box before, I only saw these 2 pieces.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, let's put that on. And then we'll put it at the farthest setting, well, maybe in the middle setting like I did, and then do the chain. Because I don't know about you, I wanted my back tire as far back as it could go, just to make the bike as long as possible.
I'm there.
Yeah. Yeah, good point. So Steve just sprayed cleaner inside. So we did a whole Vice Grip Garage rebuild. You ever watch that show?
What? No.
Oh, I love him. He takes spray paint stuff and he goes, rebuilding brakes. That guy's fantastic.
Cleaning brakes.
Yeah, so. All right, so now we just have to get, this is kind of a pain in the butt. We have to get these on, the spacer on, the nut on all at the same time. We don't have to worry about, now that we know yours goes on the outside, you don't have to put your bracket on for the, just wasn't sure. So this one goes like this one goes like this. Oh, we got to pull these out. Pull these all the way out. Pushing them already. Yeah, it'll go on the bottom because there's your good where you stay. That thing moves all the time.
Until you get it locked in place.
Yeah. And if not, we'll spray paint it. Rebuild. You gotta check his show out, man. You'll love it. I got a bunch of stickers and t-shirts. I love the guy. All right. Okay. I'm just getting ready. So this one will go like, which way did it go? I'm just getting ready, so go and get yourself together. There you go. No, so they are, I need that one. They are specific. Yep, so that one goes here. I kept doing that myself, all right. Okay. Yeah, they are specific because it locks on that side. Yeah, is it coming through?
No, not yet. Hold on. Before we get this, we got to get this one in.
Why are you yelling at me, Steve?
I don't know. I see why it's such a pain in the ass.
Oh, it was, like I said, I was doing this by myself.
I can't believe you did that. How do you get this one in here?
I had tiny little monkey arms. Here, let me see. Oh yeah, that sucked. I do remember that. I think I actually had to...
Pry it out or something?
I think I did. Here, let me see. But you still have a heck of a lot of room to go that way. So here, push it. Hey. I think it'll work. See this? See how that keeps pushing out?
No, your head's in the way.
Here, go. Slide it in. There you go. You're getting it. There you go. Yeah, it's almost like a perfect fit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just kind of cool.
All right.
All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
What am I hitting?
All right, hit it again. Try again. There it is.
Way easier with two people. All right, I'm done.
All right.
That was awesome. We're going to put the chain on now. Oh, we had to steal a chain guide off of one of our parts motors. Oh, I don't know what we did with it, but it's gone.
It's in here somewhere in a bag with these bolts. Maybe not because the bolt's on here.
Well, let's put that chain on. Putting the chain on. I had to do it twice. Just so you guys know, that's what you need. You need a hammer to put the chain on. What are you trying to get the shifter off?
Yeah. Put it on too tight.
So you put the chain in, then the guide?
Yeah. Might have been able to do it, put the guide on first, but I didn't even bother trying.
Yeah. All right, so I got it wrapped around, and I think that looks good. I moved the tire in so that way I can adjust it and tighten it as we need, but already that looks good, and it looks like I'm gonna have to take off 7 links. It actually fits really good, and that's another thing that we did. We learned the hard way. Do not center your battery box. You center your battery box, your chain's gonna hit it. So I told Steve we gotta take 7 links off. Let's count those links, Steve.
New math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. So
7.
So we have
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So we have 4 links. How many links do we still need to cut off, Steve?
How many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Pop?
All right. Measure once, cut twice. It's the Shed Billy way. Well, I just hit mine when it was on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Seemed like a good idea. Yeah, I think I used a maul and just flattened them on. That is a beefy chain. Gold looks good. All right, so before I finish this video out, I wanted to, a lot of guys that watch these videos, it's pretty awesome, are probably more knowledgeable than we are. You know, we like building motorcycles, like sharing it with you guys, but we clearly aren't professionals in any way. But two things I'm running across I'm having an issue with that I could really use some of your guys' experiences. One is the forward controls. It looks like, and I've been looking online, they took the existing shift lever, drilled a hole in it just to put this connection on it where the forward control goes. I'm hoping there's something better than this because I'd like this to look good. And if that's my only option, you know, so be it. But if you guys are aware of something or know of something that I can use, man, I'd really appreciate it. The other issue that I'm running across is, I'm going to share this picture with you right now. I love this build. I love this bike. I had this same kick, same kick on my Triumph, and I loved it. But I don't think it's going to work with the Yamahas unless I can use, obviously, something else. So I was just kind of wondering what you guys were doing here, because I mean, I could buy a new one of these from Mike's XS. It'd be chrome. It'll look nice. But I'm just looking for something a little bit more cool. You get what I'm saying? So any insight, hit me up, hit our website up, email us, hit me up on Instagram. But let me know what you guys are doing with these two items, because with my build and Steve's build, I'd hate to do all this work and all this customization and then have to just deal with something like this. Thanks, guys.
Two dudes building choppers. We put the chain on today on the extra work bike. We call it the extra work bike because I chose a lot of stuff to make it.
Yeah, it's definitely extra work.
So, show the beefy chain that I got put on.
I did a video of that already.
All right, we got that. Yeah, we're going to be putting together hopefully a banner. I want to make a shout out to my friend Mike Cross. He made this cool print for us. We're going to have a banner coming up, probably some tees. So give us a shout out, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll send some tees out to you. This is MCTs is the name of his business. Give him a shout if you need t-shirts. MCT67@gmail.com. Give him a shout.
Sweet.
We're out.